My mom's side of the family they're all farmers. So I grew up in learning how to farm. I drove tractors when I was 11. So farming is in my blood. So when I had the opportunity to see if we can actually have a 200-tree birch tree farm out here on the West Campus, to be a part of my job, part of the work that I'm doing with the students, I thought it was an excellent natural fit.
We have developed here within AMMI a process where we can take bark from the tree and as little as 5 steps actually convert it into a base useful polymer.
You can plant one of these trees, have it grow for 25, 50 years, and you can strategically and sustainably harvest the bark for that period of time as long as the tree is healthy without ever having to chop it down and replant.
We are an institute that are making new materials. They are adhesives, plastics, glues, and we are making these new materials out of more environmentally friendly materials.
What the students are doing here is being taken by our industry partners, and they are further developing products out of what they've learned with us. At the same time, they're hiring our students, and they get trained on how to think a certain way. They get trained on how to use the equipment to do the right testing, and then they're sought out by the industry and government partners to actually be hired.